guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have an actual unboxing. Your girl has done a little bit of retail therapy. I bought like 2 bags in one day. Had a rough day at work, so you know, treat yourself kind of thing. I hadn't bought a bag since December when I pre-ordered the LV that I revealed to you. So this was a bag that was on my if I can find it for a good price wish list. So this is a company that is another pre-loved retail site for you guys to check out. I was really impressed with their prices. You know how Fashion File, Rebag, The Real, their prices have been going up. I've noticed that you're not getting as many of those deals. Rebag is doing a reward system, which I really love. I love how they're doing all that stuff. However, the prices are still a little bit higher. So this is called My Designerly. I actually got my Velvet Lulu that is right behind the toy Lulu there from this company before. So I've gotten that. It was probably about 2 or 3 years ago. Basically kind of not like didn't mean to, but kind of forgot about them, but they had like layaway. And I was looking for this particular bag because I had seen that Fashion File had it on sale. They were having some kind of Valentine's Day sale. So I thought, well, maybe let me look and see if I can find this bag somewhere else for cheaper. And I did. I just Googled the bag and this company had it. I'm like, man, I forgot about them because I had found them through Poshmark. They were actually selling on Poshmark, had their own website, clicked on that, and you get cheaper just buying directly from them. So I decided to give them another shot because they said this bag was new with tags and there was no tax added, and this bag retails for right around, I think it's $1,600 or $1,700, and they had it listed for $875. So yeah, had to check it out. Okay, and here it is here. It says, you're holding your new favorite accessory, My Designerly, right here. Oh my goodness, look at this packaging. Like, this is so funny because like LV, the last unboxing I did was like Louis Vuitton. It was like shit. It was so bad. And look at this presentation. And that Louis Vuitton bag cost me almost $1,800. And this bag cost me only $875. We've got this Hello Gorgeous. We've got bubble wrap. And it has a little face mask. And they don't have any idea who I am. Like, I didn't say, oh, I'm doing a video. Oh, they have no idea who I am. I'm just like a regular Joe Schmo on their websites. So if you're thinking, oh, it's because you're on YouTube, they had no idea who I am, people. Let's take this out. So excited. It's funny that I'm excited that they bubble wrapped it. Not only did they bubble wrap it and it's in the original dust bag, they have another plastic bag over it. So this is a bag I've been contemplating for the past year, but again, I wasn't leaving my house or do anything, and I thought if I ever got it for a good price, then I would try it out. And this bag isn't as heavy as I thought it would be. I had never seen this bag in person. I got the Chloe, oh my goodness, Kiss bag. And this is in the beige color. I forget the exact name. I get like situated here so we can get a good look at her. Okay. We got all the protective tags on here. So this one is new with tags. And again, I got this for $875. They also have a feature on it, their site, which is really cool, which I didn't do because I thought that was a fair price, but you can like name your own price. So I thought about like naming $800, but I thought, oh, that's just nickel and diming them. Like, this is the cheapest I found new with tags on the internet. So you have this beautiful, it's like a champagne gold that's supposed to like look like a kiss. It's supposed to like resemble lips, hence the name the Kiss bag, but it's super cute. And I love Chloe bags. Like, I know Chloe bags are not for everybody. I know these bags depreciate right away. I know these bags are like trend bags, but I don't care. I buy what I love, not like for resale. Yes, I consider that sometimes. So because I'm considering that, I like to buy it secondhand. That way, if this doesn't work out for me, I can sell it and I'm not gonna lose tons of money on it. Absolutely gorgeous bag. I love how it has this on the sides and it has like the round heart. Let's open it up. So this bag opens up and it has 2 magnets. Let's see. So it has 2 magnets right here. I'll look it over before I take the tag off. So it's 2 magnets right here. So it doesn't look like it matters any way you close it. Like, you close it like this, or you can flip it the other way and close it that way. So it doesn't really matter. There is no back pocket or anything else like that. You just have the small little slip pocket. It kind of reminds me, the shape kind of reminds me of the Rue bag that I have, and I have a similar color to this, only mine's a little bit darker. I really like this light beige because I feel like this is going to go with so many things. I feel like this is going to be an all year round bag that I can wear. And then what's nice is it has this crossbody strap, but the crossbody strap is also detachable. It has like a little clip that you press here and then that loops off. So these are just like looped. So I liked the fact that you could take that off. It's not heavy. A lot of my Chloe bags are pretty heavy because the hardware is pretty substantial, but it looks like they made this with that in mind. The only thing I'm noticing is there is some marks to the metal. It is on the back. It's very hard to notice, but a few little scratches right there that are on that, but that's probably just something that's gonna happen with it. It's probably from someone trying it on. Maybe this bag like was tried on in their store, or one of their people handled it and they held it like this and they got their ring to touch it. So it does have that, but nothing wrong to the leather, and that's just something that's gonna happen anyway. I love the minimal branding with the Chloe, and I just think it's so cute. Let's put some things in her. Here is the bag I'm currently rocking, my utility. So we'll grab all the usual suspects, as I like to call them. And I'll probably do a comparison with this and like my Drew bag and stuff too, if you guys want to see that. But I'm very impressed with how light it is. Like, it's super great quality, but it's not super heavy like some of my other bags. So let's see how it is to get your stuff in and out of. Now, I have my pouch in here, so it is a little cumbersome to get your stuff in and out of, but what I could do is just unzip my pouch while it's in here and grab my stuff. I don't see myself like pulling my pouch out, so I'll stick that to the back. So that's where I keep my hand sanitizer, all that stuff. What I get out the most is my wallet, my change pouch, and my keys. These are the things that I get out the most. And I feel like I could still fit my phone in the back here. Let's close the flap. Perfect, so that closes. And what's nice is there's some give to this. So even if you had, since there's a magnet on both sides, it looks like it closes pretty fast and pretty easy on its own. And then to get something, it's because I have the tag attached. Like, that's not helping too. I should probably just cut that because I feel like I'm keeping this. I don't see anything wrong with it. But I'm always nervous. I like to cut it at the very last possible second because I like to wear it around my house. Who else does that? Like, I wear it around my house. I have my stuff in it. I get my stuff in and out of it a few times. I look at it and then I make the decision. Anyone else do that? But I'm loving it right now. So I'm leaning more towards, yeah, I'm most likely definitely keeping this. So yeah, there are the items that are in there. Super easy. The only thing is getting the pouch out of this is a little annoying. However, I could easily just unzip the pouch from here and get my hand sanitizer out that way. And the only reason it's feeling awkward is because I'm holding this and there's this tag here, so that if I cut it off, obviously the bag is mine. So that's why that is still there. Now, this is crazy, guys. A brand new bag for $875, and there was no tax attached. Okay, let's try this beauty on and then we'll call it a day. And you have the strap here is adjustable settings. Looks like I can go a little bit smaller if I want. Okay, so here it is. The way I'm most likely gonna wear it is just on my wrist like this. This is how I envisioned wearing it. It's a light bag. I'm gonna wear it out nice. We're actually going away this weekend, but I have a black leather dress that I'm planning on wearing, so I don't know if this would look nice with it, this beige color, so I'll have to think about wearing this. But this is the way I'm gonna do it, and holding it like this would probably be the best way. And then here it makes it a more casual look, being able to do it cross body, and I don't mind it this way. It doesn't look bad. However, my vision of wearing this, it's nice having that option, because I'm going away for a short little weekend trip. I can wear this as a casual bag, and then when we go out, I can wear this as a bag on my wrist. So I think I would like that. Also, you could, because the strap is detachable, I could put a chain strap with this to make it a little bit more dressy and have that hang down instead of having this. Let me grab, here is my Drew I have. So this is the darker beige, and this is a lighter beige. And I kind of prefer this lighter beige than this darker one. But I also have with this bag this nice little chain here. Maybe I could try to attach that to make it a shoulder bag like this. I'll have to play around with it and see, because I like that this Drew has it, which is one of the reasons why I bought this Drew, and then try it with this. But what do you guys think? This is so cute. Okay guys, what do you think of this new bag? I'm pretty sure this one is going to be mine. I just love Chloe bags. Like, they're so fun and neat. And as you can see from my collection, if you haven't seen my full collection video, I will mark it for you. I have bags not everybody has. It's not necessarily their cup of tea, but I just love designer bags that are just different. I like bags that are like fun and unique, and that's what Chloe is. Like, I want to be a boho girl, just like rolling around in a field of flowers. Literally, I've taken pictures rolling around in a field of flowers. Done that. Got all the bugs and the scrapes to prove it, and it was amazing. And I literally there was a butterfly like flew on a flower while I was standing there. A beautiful magical experience, and I was carrying my Birkin whilst I did it. That's the kind of girl I am. So I really recommend looking at this. They did have one more Kiss bag for $8.75 there, and it was in the light blue, and I was contemplating between the two because I really love the light blue bag. However, I do have my Birkin that's in the light blue. So I feel like if I had another light blue bag, that I'm always gonna wanna reach for the Birkin when I'm thinking about that color. Whereas this, I really like this color. I don't really have many bags this beige color. I have the Bottega right there, but that doesn't have a strap and it's not this size. But yeah, I'm really loving this shaped bag. It's so cute. Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know if there's some other sites that I should be looking at. I'm gonna share my Designerly down below for you. Not sponsored. I don't have any coupon codes for you. I wish I did. However, I will try to mark the bag I found and put the site there. But they have like email things you can sign up for and look for. But I just feel like a lot of their prices are very reasonable. And they actually have some older Louis Vuittons there that do have some wear and things like that. So much better price. They actually have some like Neverfulls that are used and things like that. And they're going for like $700 or $800. And you're like, well, that's actually a reasonable price because it is used. Whereas you go on to like Fashion File, a used Neverfull is like $1,300, $1,400. So I will make sure to put them down below. And please share any sites you recommend. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye guys.